Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine, dear. You know that this is your class 4th NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and we are going to read the chapter number 24, Home and Abroad. So, dear students, first of all, tell me what is home? You must know that we all live in our home, that is our home. And what is abroad? Abroad means far away from our home, especially foreign countries. Out of India there are so many countries, and these countries are called abroad. So in the first part of the chapter we will read the story of Malu. Let's start the chapter. Today there was a lot of activity in Malu's house. Chitappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. 5 years ago, Chitappan had got a job in the capital city of United Arab Emirate (UAE) called Abu Dhabi. Since then, he had lived there. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. Here there is a story of Malu's elder uncle, who is called Chitappan. Malu is called Chitappan, the elder uncle, or you can say the elder brother of her father. So his elder uncle's family is coming home after 5 years. They have gone to abroad, or you can say the United Arab Emirate, before 5 years, when he got a job there. Now Malu and her father went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chitappan, Kunjamma and their 2 children could be seen coming out. How big Shanta and Shashi have grown, Appa said. Kunjamma, this is the wife of his elder uncle, or you can say his Taiji or auntie. Chitappan is also called the uncle or Tauji. Kunjamma means Taiji or auntie. Soon the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi, and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Shanta, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, Malu said. Malu said to Shanta that you must have been so much tired because because uh, you were on a long journey. But what did Shanta answered? Shanta answered, "We are not tired, even though it is far away. It is far. Our flight took only 2 hours." And said Shanta, "The plane flies very fast." Shanta said that we traveled on aeroplane, and you know that the aeroplane is the fastest mode of the transport. So she is telling that it took only 2 hours to reach from Abu Dhabi to Kerala. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train. And on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu, Shanta and Shashi chatted all the way home from the airport. Malu remembered how much fun she had on her school time. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Shanta was very excited to know about the trip of Shanta and Shashi. She wanted to know everything about their trip. Dust all around. "Did you see many interesting things from the plane?" asked Malu. Malu asked Shanta, "Did you have seen many interesting things from the plane?" "Most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds," said Shanta. "But before it went so high, we could see that we were flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing. White, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes," added Shashi. Shanta answered that her plane was flying so high that she could not see from the plane only there was clouds. But she is telling that where before she went so high, she could see the sandy areas and the color of the sand of were changing. The color of the sand were somewhere the sand color was white, somewhere it was brown, somewhere it was yellow, red, black. And she said that we saw a mountain made only by sand. So Shashi said that these type of mountains are called sand dunes. I have seen sand only at the seashore, said Malu. Then you should come to visit us, said Chitappan. But Malu said that we have seen sand only on the seashore, on the bank of the sea. But so her elder uncle said that then you should come to visit with them so that she could see the different colors of sandy areas. Are you watching? These are the sand mountain. These are the mountains that are made only of sand, and this is called the sand dunes.